Hello, my name is Vincent Sori, and today I want to talk about only HTML because I am create one small website and only using the HTML. Let's go now. I am solving my HTML code. I create this website using only HTML. It has a simple structure that includes a header header, navigation bar, main content, and footer. At the top, I we added a logo image, adding that say "Welcome to my home page." It gives the page a nice and clean look. And in the navigation bar, I will add links to different pages on profile, courses, feedback, grades, and contact. These, these links make it easy for user to move around the website. Uh, in the main section, I write, uh, "Hello, I am Bimsen, a student at Now Gurukul who loves learning and explore new thinkings and my and also added another line. This website is my small project to solve my learning journey. Uh, at the bottom, I I created a footer that say mm, 2025 my website made with by Beamsen. It gives a complete and professional touch to my website. So then my this code is only done. So I'm making a only home page. So next episode I giving you thinking like now you so this is my this is my home page IQC. So now done. Thank you for watching my videos. So let's see once again new episode meet. Okay. Thank you so much.